bread you have lying around. Here's bread. Put it in your toaster. Toast. Now take whatever cheese you've got. This is cheddar. And grate it. Now if you don't have a grater, just cut it up. Why is it that grated cheese tastes better? Now, assemble your sandwich. You may be thinking, there's no way that this is it. I'm clicking off. But wait! We're not done! Grilled cheese has to have melted cheese, right? That's why people say use cheese like Munster or something else. But who's got time to go to the store to buy specific cheese? This grilled cheese recipe is for people who don't want to bother with the low heat pan and whether you use butter or mayonnaise. This is for people who just want to use a toaster and a crock pot. So this is going to be our melty cheese repository. Take your assembled sandwich, nestle it right in the middle, close it up, and set it to low, and we'll just see how long this takes. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. It's taken way too long, so I'm just gonna turn it up to high. You know, I really should have thought about the term slow cooker before I started. So, 50 minutes later, it's gotten all bubbly, so I think we're ready to cut it open and eat it. It's still crunchy. Now, sandwiches cut diagonally taste better than sandwiches cut in rectangles. It's a fact. Oh, melty. That's a grilled cheese, all right. So this was utterly ridiculous. I mean, it took way longer than making a normal grilled cheese, but I mean, it's pretty much the same. If you had one of those outlet timer things, you could time this to start like an hour before you plan on eating breakfast, and then maybe wake up and like do your yoga, and then have a grilled cheese all ready for you. But other than that, just make a grilled cheese. Thanks for watching me be silly. This is my last episode from this kitchen because I'm moving. So we're gonna take a little break, but we'll be back with something else. I don't know what. Follow me on Instagram, @Aaron's Bakery. Stay happy, and I'll see you at some point.